Hey, we're here in Cape Town, South Africa. My name's Cassie Weems. I'm the public lead for Creative Commons down here. We're here today. I'm running an open business model. Open business models are the idea of taking a piece of your business, of your idea, and releasing it to the world.
The TEDx audience is a very diverse, very informed, very challenging audience, because they ask lots of interesting questions and they actually do have lots of interesting solutions.
So it's looking at leadership, and it's one of the 9 discussions that I'm going to be facilitating throughout the world.
The workshops are a great way to engage with people that actually attend the TEDx event. Yesterday we had the actual speakers and it's more one-way sort of traffic. I think while the workshops on the following day are a great forum, is it actually creates a space where you can actually engage with people that have come to the event and listen to people's thoughts and ideas on some of the topics that have been covered. A great way to actually meet people and collaborate with like-minded people.
Hi, my name is Alex Jongens. I'm a volunteer for TEDx Cape Town. I lead up the perpetuity portfolio. TEDx perpetuity is pretty much just taking TEDx further. So taking all the great content that we get from TEDx Cape Town and making it more accessible for other people who can't necessarily come to the annual event.
So we've got a whole range of projects going on. We're going to take TEDx on the road. We're going to take TEDx to music festivals. We're going to take TEDx to NGOs, to night shelters, to things around the city. Some great stuff going on. I'm very proud to be a part of it. I love it a lot, and we've had some really good feedback from the workshops today. So TEDx Cape Town all the way.